to record
She has
it.
the option to record.
Yeah, ask her to record it.
If she wants to be.
Hey, you can record this call.
I don't know, maybe you need a
See.
premium version. to
You
record.
can record this call, then you have the video automatically, you can upload it. Because of the set, because
No, she can't?
internet connections.
Oh.
Okay, fine. Let's proceed, sorry.
Okay, so black pen on the kidney area.
That's me. I think so. What dot is it? And not that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yesterday we found someone with black pen.
Yeah, that was liver disease.
This is proper. Yeah.
This one is black here. You understood. Okay? So black pen on the kidney. Burning urination. Burning urination.
Symptoms. You are talking about the symptoms.
Infection in the kidney. Infection in the kidney.
There is high chances of the UTI. Urinary tract infection.
High chance of UTI.
What is that?
Urinary tract infection.
High chance?
Of UTI.
UTI. Urinary tract infection. But you will not find many cases. Okay. So what do you tell?
Guys, go on mute, please.
I think we did this yesterday, no?
Pardon me?
Did we not do this yesterday? Or was that a different colour on the kidney?
No, we did about the kidney contraction before.
Oh, that was kidney contraction.
Maybe end on the sleep.
The black pen on the screen region.
Can you see this one? Small cyst like this. Yeah, cyst.
Oh.
Cyst. Can you see that without color there is white cyst?
Maybe when the patient show you his tongue, what is the first thing that you look for?
What is the major symptoms on the tongue?
If it's a crack, if it's a color,
Does that mean that they have cysts?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
So, if there is a
also?
No.
Ah.
And again, it's not colored.
Oh, right.
Red
Okay.
is red
Small space.
It's
Yeah.
pale.
on the side.
That is a cyst in ovaries.
Oh, directly.
Ovarian.
Okay. If you see on the left side of the ovary cyst. See on the right side ovary cyst. Yesterday there was three patients. Okay. Then patients, what we discussed, if you are doing like GT protocol, always try to check liver 3. Okay, when you are doing GT protocol, always check which point?
Liver
Liver
3.
three.
Where is that? Yeah. If the liver 3 is too stiff, no, always insert one needle on liver 3 and give deep moxa. Yesterday there was one patient. Which one here? Below the knee, the foot is fully black. I think you were treating.
Oh, I saw this man over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he, a
If
burn.
you check his liver 3 and kidney 2, it was like fully inflamed and too much painful. Understand? So means the productions and filtration is not good. So if you check on the tongue, you can see liver issues and kidney issues. When you check the liver 3 and kidney 2, then you realize you just insert 1-2 point there and give the proper the moxa. Okay. So whenever there is cyst, okay, black cyst means more acidic toxicity. Black cyst. If the cyst is black, then there is more
Pitta acidic.
acidic cyst means more toxicity. And second toxicity comes from the mucus, which is a congested mucus. The colorless cyst is not black, just a tongue color cyst. That means the mucus congested. That means, so the acidic cyst is more dangerous. The mucus cyst is not that much harmful. Understand? Protocol is exactly same. What protocol we use? A reparative protocol.
For kidney black mark, reproductive protocol or no, just for this case?
If you want, you can use the kidney protocol UV23, okay, and kidney 2 that protocol. But for the ovary cyst, mostly functions with reparative protocol. Stomach 30 point, no, the point is exactly on the ovary, okay, and kidney 11, that point on your uterus, okay, and like the head of the uterus. So when you will give the electron, no, that will help to circulate the stomach congested the product. Okay. Whenever you are using distal hole point, no, never ever use 40 size needle. Whenever you are using distal point, no, don't use the 40 size needle. Only use 25 size needle. In acupuncture, what we discussed, we don't use 40 size needle. We use only for on the abdominal region, where we have to give electro only. Some patient is little fatty. Only in that condition we use diamide 40, right? In the diamide we use this 8 needle 40, 8 and this 10 needle. Second, we use reparative protocol 40. Only on that reparative which is you are going to give the electron. You are not giving the electron. you are going to give the moksha, then use only 25 copper size needle. Okay? Which needle we are using here for electro? Only for that needle we use 40 size.
So for moksha we can use
25. Okay? If you want to give the moksha like repurity protocol, what we discussed, if you are using the repurity protocol, one time give electro and one time
moksha.
you can give moksha. So whenever you, for example, yesterday you did a repurity protocol with electro. So today you will give moksha. So for moksha just use 25 size needle and copper needle. So that will help for the proper moksha.
So we can't use electrodes with stimulation, we can't use copper needle.
You can use the stimulations, you can use any needle, but why you are using the 40 size needle? Because that will go deep stimulations. If you are using 25 size needle for the electrode, that is very superficial.
Okay.
Understand?
And then using moksha for the 40 millimeters, the heat is going too deep. Or
No, it won't go.
it won't go.
The steel is harder.
What?
1 second. No, answer. If the person is thin, Vata person.
Then 25 size needle.
25 is enough. Then 25 is fine. Yeah.
You can give directly moksha. If person is very thin, very skinny, so you don't need to give electro, it was too sensitive. You can give direct only moksha.
Yeah.
कौन सा अगर माइल्ड स्टमक में फैट है तो इलेक्ट्रो दे सकते हो, अगर फैट नहीं है पूरा एकदम प्लेन है तो फिर इलेक्ट्रो नहीं दोगे तो भी चलेगा, और दोगे तो भी हार्मफुल कुछ है नहीं.
So basically, just any use for 25. Otherwise, okay.
So we're going to be using the triple warmer and the PC6.
Yeah. For this we use, this is the perfect answer. In this we use the triple warm of 5 and PC6 to melt the congested cyst. Okay? Now with the last one. And very common. Which one is that? Yellow duck. Yellow duck because yellow, this is the very common. Okay, yellow potato. You have yellow duck?
Yes.
Full yellow, normal yellow.
No, not enough. Sorry.
You see this one?
Yeah.
This one?
So strong. This is better.
Whoa.
This one is
This one's like dumber.
serious. Yeah. He's not after eating something. Natural, this that strong. Oh.
There's a way the tongue is like cracked with black
Yellow
skull.
tongue, in yellow tongue,
Yeah,
if you
no.
see,
Yeah,
yellow tongue, there is maximum tongue, there is a crack. Only this 2-3 tongue, not crack, but here tongue, see the crack.
So if you have, actually we have to understand that also. If the tongue has many problems, it is heavily, it has very strong problem.
Now.
Which one should we?
Now we discuss it.
Please.
You see?
What Trump said.
Okay, now Trump is there, right? No more Trump jokes.
Right?
Red mark on the lung area.
That hurt?
Bonita.
That was
That's
gross.
the right one.
Oh my goodness.
I think this is
That one.
That guy is the French guy, so.
He never came back.
He never came back. I think he got.
I think he was
He just,
drinking
yeah,
alcohol.
he was.
He never came back.
He must have known better and then he decided to go and do the jokers.
What person was the yellow, no? The policeman, you came with black mark.
Black mark on the, oh, here.
Okay. So this was also yellow dot.
Yellow tongue, yes, very yellow.
Yellow tongue is purely
That
symptoms
girl
of.
was kind of yellow too.
Hmm?
That fat Bengali girl.
The lady.
No, there was the lady.
The big lady he took.
This
Not
very
that.
mild,
Yes.
especially in large intestine.
Okay?
So what happened? You will
Nervous.
find many yellow tongue mostly from your stomach, small intestine, large intestine, in this area more. Okay, you will not find tongue which is the tip of the tongue is yellow, side of the tongue is yellow, only in the gut, only in the GI tract. Yellow tongue is purely sign and symptom of loss of free radicals in the gut. Lots of free radicals. It's called like humidity tongue. What is called? Lots of humidity.
Lots of humidity.
Humidity in the gut. Ama.
Antioxidants are not enough. They harm you. They age you. What is it? Ama. Poison, toxic.
There's the yellow bile is more imbalanced. This condition, yellow bile is more imbalanced. These people having lots of the mental related problems and physical related problems.
Mental as in?
Okay, we'll come on this. First we start with the symptoms, then we'll come. And these people having the breathing issues.
Breathing what?
Breathing issues.
Breathing issues.
Okay. Not bleeding, okay? Breathing. Breathe. Okay. Bloating.
Bloating is everywhere.
Yeah, mostly. Vacavens. Okay. High blood pressures. Stiffness in the all of the muscles group, mostly on the cervical more. Cervical muscles are very stiff. Okay. Bad mouth odor, they smell from the mouth.
Say again.
Mouth odor. Bad, bad.
Yeah. 80 to 90% of these people they smoke.
Smoke.
What bad?
Bad smell from the mouth. Smoke.
In case it will become a chronic hernia problem.
Hernia. Where?
Yeah.
Where?
And gut. High cholesterol level.
This is a long list.
And very common case, like after every 5 tongues you will find one this tongue.
I'm sure Taiwan is the same.
What did you say?
What is this?
It's very common case, like after every 4 or 5 cases you will find one case this one. See, yellow tongue is purely, we already discussed, for example, if there is a black bile issues, mostly that is more responsible with your liver, okay? And if there is a yellow tongue, that is mostly more responsible with your gallbladder, okay?
We discussed that last time.
Yeah. When we was on the varicose, that time we'll discuss.
Yeah.
And then I think yesterday we also discussed miles. Maybe you will not remember because I give just examples of this, right? Okay. Black bile is mostly connected with the liver, and yellow bile is mostly responsible with the gallbladder. The people are suffering with lots of the gallbladder issues. Okay. Here I'm going to show the one case which is very interesting. If you see this case, in this case, yellow and white, the black, both are the combination. Can you see
Yes.
this one?
Yeah.
Yesterday I clicked that same, that where the policeman, so we did a protocol for the cervical and hand was, there were issues between the hand. Okay, so what this means? वाइट पे आएगा तभी हम बात करेंगे. Okay. ज़्यादा चांस नहीं रहते वाइट की, क्योंकि वाइट म्यूकस ज़्यादा इंटेस्टाइन में इफेक्ट करता है. वेरिकोवेंस मोस्टली कनेक्टेड होता है, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से होता है जो लीवर और बहुत. तो वो मस्कुलर प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हुआ है. Okay, so she's asking like if there is tongue white, is there possibility to varicose? And I said the white tongue is mostly connected with your mucin and mucus. Okay, and varicose is connected with your carbon dioxides. And carbon dioxides and spleen, they have no internal connections because carbon dioxide is directly connected with your liver. Okay, with white tongue if there is like varicose and this all, so that's mostly connected with the muscular issues. Maybe muscle is little stiff or the weak. Okay, the superficially varicose, which is it's called like a spider varicose.
Yeah.
That is mostly comes with the weakness of the muscles, and the thick varicose that comes with the stiffness of the muscles. For example, if you see Rich is having the big varicose, that is his stiffness because he used to work in like long routine, or he is standing like this for a long time and all muscles become this stiff. Okay. So when tongue is black also and yellow, then the group of the organ is affected. For example, liver and gallbladder both are affected. In this condition, only in the yellow tongue, the people, because gallbladder is controlling the gas. Okay, the people are suffering. Why are mentions only 1 or 2? This is what I suggest. Sorry, what I told you just right now. These symptoms are very normal symptoms. They have many more symptoms. They love to show you all the symptoms. There are many symptoms. But what is the issues here? The biggest issues.
when we read about the psychology, okay, so in the psychology there is one chapter which is called like each and every organ in the human body has some specific psychology, the specific function in the society, in our life. So the functions of the liver and the gallbladder, for example, this is the liver, the function of the liver to make the strategies, okay, and functions of the gallbladder to take the action. The liver, the function of the liver to create idea and strategy in your brain, okay, and functions of the gallbladder to take actions on any activities. For example, I want to go Mopsa, let's go. What was this one?
Action is doctor.
Actions, okay. I had some strategy, just do little bit of the planting in the schools. Okay, let's do it. This was my action. But how long I will do, that is depends on my gallbladder activity. For example, in this condition, this both organ become meso. Meso means we are working with a little bit high. If this is normal, then you have very good strategy and very good action. Today I have to clean the school. Everything comes in my strategy, and I start and I'm cleaning and I finish this work. So my strategy was perfect, and I cleaned fully my schools, so my action was completely perfect. But if they both organs become the low, then what will happen?
Both strategy is low and action is also low. You are not doing anything. You are not thinking.
No more strategy, no more action. People are more lazy,
So no interest.
no interest. And if both are become the meso, because this subject is on the meso, yellow tongue you will find 99% pulse in the gallbladder meso, and the black tongue you will find 99% in the liver, which is the meso. Okay, there is some statistic, we will discuss about that. Just for example, if both become the meso, then what will be their psychology?
Too many ideas, too many. Both are high, you said.
Both are high.
Yeah, that means new idea, little bit of action, stop, then again new thing, then again new thing.
So what is like the best example of the like science or theory, whatever you want to go? If your energy is moving with the times, you are healthy, and your strategy, action, everything is perfect. Okay? But if you are moving slower than time, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very less strategy, very less actions, your confidence level will go slowly down. And if your both organs are the meso, in these conditions what will happen? There are many thoughts coming. Means you are faster than time. You are faster than. Have you seen that movie, The Lucy?
Yeah.
There was one bird. She said, "I am moving faster than time, so that's why I'll die fast. Because I am doing a time traveler, I am moving faster than time. I can imagine everything because my cell is in the future." So what does mean? The future cell means the movement of the cell is too fast. So that's why I'll become old very fast and I'll die very fast. Okay? In these conditions, what the people are doing, in their mind, there is lots of strategy. You can ask them about any field, they will give you lecture on that field. Okay? And their actions, let's do this work. To clean is all like a school, I will clean one, no, I will clean later. They will not complete that work fully. There is quick action, but they are not completing their full action. Understand?
Yeah.
They will make the strategy too fast, they will take actions, then they will go back. They are not clear. Because when you are doing, new strategy will come. When you do actions, so they are fully. So their mental tensions in this condition, grey matter is very hyperactive. Which one?
Okay.
Grey matter is very hyperactive. Grey matter is mostly connected with your future thoughts, collecting the new information. And white matter is your past and connected, mostly storage memory. Okay? Whenever grey matter become the high, for example, now my brain is functioning too much, there is lots of idea. Okay? And you just came to me and you are going to say some idea or anything, I'll say your idea is nothing in front of the me. I am the universe of the idea like this, and you are just human. Whenever we start to talk with them, maybe they will not listen you completely sentence. They will stop. They will start their own because they can't wait. In their brain, lots of thoughts is coming. Understand? And the people having issues with headache issues.
So one second. You were taking that yellow plus black example.
No,
Now we are
now
still
I'm
yellow.
taking only yellow.
Yeah, we are on
Okay. Yeah. So
Only yellow is both muscles.
yeah, what you wrote the all symptom, that is only for the yellow.
Yeah, that is.
Okay. And which headache?
Pitta headache. Yellow is pitta headache.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder, gali, vata.
Only vata.
Hmm.
Gallbladder is only vata. Gallbladder, what we discussed, gallbladder controls the vata. Okay, so what you will find, the having issues more from the headache here, and slowly they will catch whole head. GB20 headache. Okay. And yellow tongue, we have the proper, again the deep chapter with liver psychology and gallbladder. When we come the liver and gallbladder psychology, yellow tongue having a very deep psychology. So when we come on that, so this is the mostly affecting both psychologically issues also, and your mostly pathological problems too. This is affecting both psychologically and pathological issues too. We do the treatment which is the humidity removal. Okay. Start the points. GT plus lever 3. Okay. Then stomach 25 bilateral, spleen 15 bilateral, ran 10, ran 12, and LI 11. This is the protocol called the humidity removal protocol. GT plus liver 3, stomach 25 bilateral, spleen 15 bilateral, ran 10, ran 12, LI 11.
So humidity removal is this.
This protocol is
This restricted. This beautiful.
yeah, this is the humidity removal protocol.
The thing is, with GT itself at 5-6 liters plus.
Where's SP15? SP15?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Now we'll discuss.
GT, how many liters? 6 liters.
Okay. So see, this is the navel, right? So So you already know GT protocol.
Yeah.
This means 6, ST36, RAN 4, LI11. Okay, and you already know lever 3. Okay, what else points we have? That is only stomach 25, spleen 15, RAN 10, 12. So this is the we draw this is the like two triangle. Two triangle means from the side of the here, if we count, then 1.5 tune, this is your
Stomach 25.
yeah, this is the stomach 25, right? Or exactly from the here, we count the 2 tune up. This is also when we count from the center, then 2 tune, right?
Yeah.
And this is the up, this is the
Rent them.
rand 10. So one triangle, this will come like this.
Yeah.
So
Second,
renting is how many shoes up?
2.
8 to 2 tune, 10. Right. This is the 8. This is the rand 8. Navel is rand 8. 1, 2. Then that is rand 10. Okay. So from the center line, 2 tune on the lateral, stomach 25, 2 tune on above, that is your rand 10. Okay. Again from the here, 2 tune. This is your spleen 15. This 2 tune is your spleen 15, and from the rand 10, 2 tune. This is the rand 12. This is again one more triangle.
Oh, I see.
Okay? So this all is 2 to 2.
Repeat it, we have not seen.
This is very nice.
This is the small triangle, this is the big triangle.
No, from this nail.
So I'll explain you first. From if you count from the center line, 2 tune is your spleen 25
Yes.
and 2 tune is your rand 10. Okay? So this is a small triangle. Okay?
So from the navel to stomach 25 is 2 shoes?
From the center line.
Yeah, navel. To the stomach
So
25.
when we are counting the corner of the navel,
Oh,
then there is 1.5 tune.
1.5 shoe. So 1.5 shoe to the side and 2 shoes up.
Okay, Sanjay, can you lie down here? I'll show you this more practical.
Yeah.
I can do it. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. So normal the healthy the size of the like navel is a 1 chew. What is the size? Exactly 1 chew. Okay. So if you count from the center, then 2 chew. Okay. But we from where we count? From the side. That's why this is the point we call 1.5 chew.
Oh, okay.
Half tune is inside.
इनको वीडियो किस में चल रहा है?
Oh, the video in
Oh, here. Okay.
your video.
Yeah, 1.5 tune
Uh-huh.
here. Okay, and from the navel, okay, if you're going from the like from the here, then you will go 1.5 tune again. If you will go from the center, then 2 tune is your rand 10. Okay, so from the first point, the first triangle, from where we are counting, from the corner of navel. That's why we count 1.5 tune, 1.5 tune, 1.5 tune. Okay, so this is the first one triangle, like this. Okay, and from the here, 2 tune is your spleen 15, exactly in the same line. From the here, 2 tune is your rand 12. From the here, again the 2 tune is your spleen 15 on the left side. Okay, then this is the second triangle, like this. Got it?
It's very
So this is
easy
totally
to remember.
3.5 tune was playing.
Unfortunately, no?
3.5 from the
From
side.
here it will
But if you take it from the center, it is.
Yeah, from the side 3.5 चू.
3.5.
रेन 10 को नेवल के ऊपर से गिनेंगे ना 2 चू
तो 1.5.
सेंटर से गिनोगे तो 2 चून है और उसके जस्ट कॉर्नर से गिनोगे तो 1.5 चून ही है.